I thought it was gonna fall. Anyways, hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I'm here with another video. As you can see from the title, we gonna be doing a Fashion Nova / Shein haul. Whenever you guys see this rack right here, you know the fashion haul is about to go down. So before I start trying on the clothes, I want to thank y'all for supporting me. Thank y'all for, you know, watching my videos. Even though I'm not where I want to be yet, you know, it'll happen. But if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So let's get right into these. So y'all, this is the first outfit, and this is a long sleeve top. As you guys can see, it's in the size medium, and I paired it with this wide clutch bag and this to go with the top. This is a leather pants. It's very comfy. It's very, you know, compressed. So if you want to show your shape, show your thick shape, show your slim shape, any shape you have, you just put this leather pants on. And I'll probably wear this with some heels, you know, very classy type moment, dinner type moment. And I really love this. Like, I think this is one of my favorites too, because I kind of like to dress classy sometimes, like when I'm going out for dinner or something, I just wear it. So let's move on to the next outfit. So this one is my favorite, but it's kind of very tricky because you can't really be out in public and moving around a lot because you might show something that you don't want to show. So just stay in one spot. So, but I love this because it has this little design right here. Like, it's so elegant. I would wear this with like a jeans, like a black jeans, and some, like, I don't know what shoes I would pair it with, but I love this. Like, it just brings me off. The color black, I love black. Everything I have is in black, and this is in the size medium. I personally wouldn't wear this with a bra because I don't think it's the type of top to wear with a bra. But as far as everything, I really love it. But this part right here, and me really moving around too much, that is one disadvantage of this top. But this top is from Shein, and I really love it, y'all. Like, period. So let's get into the next style. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this baby blue long sleeve open type front top. You know, this is one of my favorite tops. It's very comfy, but just like the black one, you can't be moving around too much because, as you know, I said before, you don't want to be showing what you don't want to show. So I will wear it with some leggings or some jeans with some sneakers, and if I want to dress it up, I can wear it with some heels. You know, you can always dress stuff up. You can always make it look poppin', your nice earring, your nice hair, or whatever. But let's get into it for a moment. Even what it's supposed to get, like, period. Y'all, my edges is mad white because of the edge control, and I try to wipe it out, but it wouldn't, you know, cooperate with me for this video. So it is what it is. Your girl here ain't white, your girl ain't got no gray hair. It is what it is. So let's get into the next outfit. But now let's get into this romper, this top. I don't know if I would pair these two together, but I love them. Probably I would wear this with a next top, and I will wear this with a next bottom. But you know, you could wear this if you're going out. You want to stun, like hair down, hair up, it don't matter. This is in a size, large, and the top is medium. So let me see you walk. But nah, so yo, I can't stop feeling myself. Wait until I get my body right. It's gonna be over. Period. But this romper is very like, it's easy to come down because of the texture of this, the material. It's leather, and you know, this doesn't really have a good grip to make this stay, but it could work. Like probably I could, you know, tie this a little more tighter. Probably get a little more grip. Oh. Ooh. It's still like, if you move too much, it's gonna come off. So I don't know, but something gonna have to happen because your girl, I love this. And it's a stacked, it's kind of stacked at the bottom. Let me show y'all. It's stacked at the bottom. It's kind of like a you know those pants where it's big at the bottom and tied up here. It's one of those pants. But overall, I love them. I love the color. My favorite color is pink and purple, so I love this. And you know, you do what it do. Next outfit. So this is the next top. This has to be my favorite. This is my favorite top simply because of the style going on down here. You could put some jeans on, and then this right here is to clamp the waist of the jeans, like the loop of the jeans. So this is one of my favorite. I got it in the size medium. This is from Shein. You can dress it up, you can dress it down with some sneakers, you can dress it up with some heels, some nice earrings, nails done, hair done, you know the vibes. And you could put a nice gold necklace. And even though this right here is silver, I think I would pair it with gold simply because the gold will like make everything stand out. Because I would wear an all black for this type of look with a nice white clutch purse. And yeah, the fabric is very stretchy, like it's very stretchy, and it's not uncomfortable. It's very comfy. You know, you don't have any problems with lifting because, as you know, this will be hooked onto your pants, so you could be free all night, all day when you're wearing this. You can enjoy yourself, not like the other wears, but you know they're cute, but you gotta be comfy sometimes when you wear this stuff because probably you're gonna be wearing it all day or all night. So this is my favorite jacket, puffer jacket. This is a puffer jacket and I got it from Fashion Nova. The reason why I love this is because it's so comfy. You know, you can wear this under it, you can wear something else under it, but I would just pair this with some sneakers, and I would pair like with probably a leggings or probably some jeans. But you know, I can't wait to wear this. Like, I haven't been anywhere to wear my stuff. Like, the girl is a homebody. Period. Like, I can't deny it. I can't fight it. I'm just a homebody. But the color is so vibrant. Like, when you walk out, they gonna know it's you. Like, when you walk in, they gonna know it's you, period. But, you know, probably started like this, probably started like this. Who knows? Yeah. So, on to the next. Y'all, let's get into my favorite dress. Silk material, flowy beach vibes, dinner vibes. Everything about this dress is flawless. Like, this is my type of dress. You know, short type, baggy type, like chill vibes type. But now I got this dress in a size large because size medium wouldn't do it for me, girl. Your girl is thick. But nah, I love the material. I love something about this type of fabric. Silk. I'm about to order some silk sheets. I just love silk. It just made me feel so rich. And this is from Shein. I'm gonna link everything down in the description below. You know, you dress this up with a nice heel. I don't think I would dress this down because this is the type of dress where you wear to dinner or some type of event. You want to wear it with your, if you have black heels, or you could wear it with a white clutch bag and some white heels. Like, you gotta coordinate, you gotta color coordinate, girl. But nah, let's give a minute of fashion show. So that's all you need to know about this fit. If you want to check it out, even though I'm not doing any promotion for anyone, they need to sponsor me because I really body these fits. Like, everything's gonna be in the description below. So y'all, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like, enjoy, and I hope y'all share this video. Get me to 400 subscribers. I know we could do it. Support is free, y'all. Just click the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. I've been saying period from the moment I came on this video. Like, anyways, bye.